Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. This is a TikTok live that I am re-uploading here. But anyway, welcome to my channel. I am Kai Smith, but you could call me Kai the Makeup Educator. Welcome to all of my brand new subscribers, and shout out to all of my returning subscribers, especially my Glam and Glory family. That's my TikTok community. Y'all know I love y'all like a big dog, okay? Let's get into this look today. You already know that I start every single look with my eyebrows. I fill my eyebrows in, then I begin to carve them out with concealer. Today I am doing eyeshadow, so this would not be considered everyday brows. This is brow that will go with a full face look, okay? So at the bottom of the brow, I use a lighter concealer. I use the Eyeliner Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And the darker concealer that you see at the top of my brow and in the front of my brow is more of my skin tone, and that is in the shade Suede by Educator Pro Concealer as well. If you do not have a darker concealer to use, that's your skin color, you can also use your foundation for this part. The whole idea for this is for the top of the brow to look seamless, like it's blending into your skin, just like you see right here, okay? After you carve the brows out with the concealer, you want to make sure that you pat that concealer in to make sure that it blends seamlessly. All right. Once you start blending the concealer in, you'll see the brows really come together. And this was a really good brow day for me. It looked really nice. Let me know if you guys took my $20 eyebrow class. I have a pre-recorded eyebrow course that you guys could get if it's your first time watching and you want to know how to do your eyebrows. I have a pre-recorded course that is phenomenal, that everybody loves. You have full-time access to it. A product list is also provided, and the class is only $20. All right. So definitely go check out my $20 eyebrow course. I will leave it in the description box below. All right. Today we're gonna use my versatile matte paint in the shade Bronze Me Up, and we're gonna create a beautiful but simple eye look. Okay. I created this product for people that don't want to waste too much of time blending and all of that stuff. So you're going to see me use one eyeshadow paint and one brush, all right? I'll leave the links. You could go ahead and get you some. The rest of the video, I will be talking you through it. And so the voiceover is going to be ending soon. I can't wait to see you in the next video. And thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet and we in the situationship, baby, I want you to date me, okay? See you soon. Using a versatile matte paints, okay? If you do not know, I came out, well, I'm an educator. Not only do I educate, so what I do is, I'm not your typical makeup educator, okay? I solve people problems, okay? I solve people problems and I find solutions, okay? I give you answers to your problems, solve your problems, and I have solutions to any question that you answer that you ask that I can answer, okay? Not only that, not only do I communicate and teach you how to do your makeup the easiest way, okay? I also create products that help you to do your makeup easy. All right. I always say whenever we put an address, we're trying to go somewhere and I put an address in the GPS is always going to give me the quickest route to get there. Baby, give me that fast. Thank you for purchasing my cars. I just saw it came through. I want the GPS to give me that fast. Okay. And in makeup, I want the same result. Okay. I'm going to do that on my YouTube list. I done did a lot of them on here as well on TikTok, but I'm going to do it for you on YouTube. All right. So we're going to go in with tonight. We're going to use the Bronze Me Up one. So I'm going to take some translucent powder. I'm going to set my brow bone. My brow bone only. Okay. This is the Mercier honey powder. I'm just going to take a little bit on a brush. Just a little bit like that. Knock the excess off. And I'm going to put it right here. Just up there. Right underneath the brow bone. I want to set that. All right. On the other side, we're going to do the same thing. You got to be ready because this go fast, okay? The versatile matte paints is very fast. You go fast with it, okay? So let's talk about the product a little bit. The versatile matte paints, I created this product so that people who don't really know how to do their eyeshadow a whole lot, or they don't have a whole lot of time, they can put this on, still get the fire results and go. What's up, everybody that's joining? All right. So we're going to take it out of the tube. It looks like a liquid lipstick because you can use it as both. Okay, I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it on tilt my eye back like this. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start applying this to my eye right here. All right, just like this. This is a fire product. I feel like every woman need it. We're going to go right here. We're going to go right up to the crease, but right there. Boom. Just like that, okay? Just like that, just like that. On the other side, we're going to do the same. We're going to put it on the lid. I'm going to go right up to the crease. Now, this is a matte eyeshadow paint, okay? A matte eyeshadow paint. That means it's like next week. All right, I'm going to take my brush from my, this is my EO5 brush from my Details brush set. It's just a flat brush. I'm going to take it. Tilt my head back. I'm hooded eyes, so tilt your head back just like this. We're going to tap, tap, tap. Starting from the bottom first, guys. Starting from the bottom first. Tap, tap, tap. All right. Then we're going to start working all the way up. And when I'm tapping, what my objective is to cover the eyelid. Then I'm going to work my way up. Boom. As I work my way up, guess what's going to happen? It's going to start getting lighter up here. Just like if I was to blend it out with a shadow. But I ain't got to do none of that. Pop, pop, pop. Look. Bow, 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 baby. As I get up here, it's going to get even lighter. Almost like I took a brush and blended it out, but I didn't. One brush did the job. Look at that. Fire. Fire, baby. And it's done. Bow. Just like that. Next eye. I have the green and love it. We're going to tap, tap, tap. Now, if you're new to this product, if you're new, you're going to go one eye at a time. Put the product on one eye at a time because it is matte and it will dry on you. And so do one eye at a time. Of course, I'm a pro, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't be jealous of me now. I could do it. I could work quick. We're going to go up. And whatever product left on the brush, it's going to naturally blend it out. Naturally. Naturally, baby. Don't be jealous of me, baby. Look at that. Fire, baby. Just like that, I got me a little bronzy eye. Okay, I got me a little brown. Now check this out, y'all. Watch the whole look come together, cause it's about to be a dog. That's right. I said, don't be jealous of me, baby. I got it like that. Boom, boom, boom. And look at that. We got a gradient effect. It's dark here. As it fades up, it starts to get lighter. Okay, and that's all we need, baby. That's it. From here, if you want to, you could actually build on top of this if you want. You could put shadows on top. Me personally, I ain't doing all that. I'm gonna keep it simple tonight. We're gonna keep it simple tonight, okay? You can take some translucent powder if you want to, and just put it right on top of it. This is Bronze Me Up. Bronze Me Up. Y'all go get that one. Bronze Me Up. You can take some translucent powder and put it on top of it just to set it. If you want to. But it's self-setting because it's matte already, okay? It's already matte. But just for security, if you want to put some translucent powder, it's not going to change the color. See that? It ain't going to change the color or nothing. The color going to still stay the same. Bow, bow, bow like a dog, baby. And it's like that. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to line my eyes like I always do. Okay. I'm gonna put the music back on, but it's going on my YouTube video, so I don't want no music on there, because baby, YouTube, they likes to give you copyright strikes. Yes. Come on, Wing. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that, sweetie. Okay, look at that, sweetie. All right. Okay, we doing something now. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Liner. You're gonna see. And so, first you want to determine. We thank them so all right. Much. My problem is finding the right primer. Just get the e.l.f. gripping primer. So much more importantly, we love you guys. Bronzer, and boom, we're gonna go ahead and tap it on. We're gonna tap first because we still tapping on top of a wet base, so we don't want to go in and dig in and all of that. Okay, we're gonna disturb the base. So right now, the powder meeting the wetness. Okay. We did that. And then this probably. Thank you. My bronzer. I'm gonna go into this color right here. So y'all have a good night. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow at 7 p.m. Tomorrow at 7. All right. Bye. Thank you, everyone.